Here you will select the zip file that you need to read. After selecting, click on the option that you see above. That you will click on the OK written on the right side. After that zip file will be automatically read on your device and all files in the file will be saved on the device. Hello dear friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. I am also well and always. So, the video that I will show you today is about reading zip files. That is, how to read the zip file on your mobile phone. Sometimes we cannot read the zip file on our device. As you can see, the zip file that I want to open here is not opening. So, the zip file that you see here are basically the theme of my Google blog. So suppose which theme will you upload to your blog or which theme do you want to open? Now, how will you read the zip file? Now, I will show you this entire process. So, the video is going to be very important. So, you should watch the entire video without skipping. So, for this, you first have to install this app from the Google Play Store. So, if you go to the Google Play Store and search, you will find many such apps. You can see that this app is already installed on my device. So, those of you who do not have this app installed on your device, go to Play Store and install it. So after opening the app, you will see all the folders that you have saved in your file manager here. So the folder called template that you see here contains the files I want. So you can see that the zip files that I couldn't edit or open are shown here. So here you will select the zip file that you need to read. After selecting, click on the option that you see above. That you will click on the OK written on the right side. After that zip file will be automatically read on your device and all files in the file will be saved on the device. So you can see that the zip file that I edit has been saved beautifully here. And all the important and necessary files that written have in the zip file are showing here. So you can see that this is the file that is the theme template of Google blog. And it is now being read. And if you want, you can now upload it to your website or blog site or submit it. So dear friends, if you want, you can easily read any zip file on your device in this way and use the documents you need. So how did you like the video? Everyone like and comment. If the video is important to you, then definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to stay well and stay healthy. Thank you very much to everyone.